Hello friends. We are back with this selection of gadgets for your car. The links to the products can be found in the description of the video. Before starting, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. Non-Does Us. The Non-Does Us allows you to monitor the condition of your car. It will help you improve the fuel efficiency of your vehicle, giving you feedback on your driving characteristics. The application will notify you as soon as there is a problem with your vehicle, and it will give you possible solutions to solve the problem. Scotch. Magnetic wireless charger. Up to 10 watts charging capacity. Accepts fast charging of iPhone and Samsung. There are 4 different types of base to be attached to the dashboard, to the air conditioning vents, to attach to the windshield, or double-sided tape. Fully articulated arm. Vase that rotates 360 degrees to place it in the position that you like the most. The base to place in the air vents helps you to keep your cell phone at a suitable temperature. The base to place on windshield can be installed on various surfaces. You can even remove it from the car and use it on a table in your home or office. LED emergency lights. It has 3 lighting modes. It can be activated as a safety strobe light, a static safety light, or it can also be used as a lamp. It has a very stable base. It can also be attached directly to the car with the magnets on the bottom. Works with 6 AAA batteries. Car headrest pillow. It can be installed in almost all cars, except those with race car type seats. This headrest helps the user to stay in a healthy and comfortable sleeping position and avoid headaches or neck pain. It can be rotated 360 degrees. Also, the height can be adjusted to be used by children and adults of different heights. When you are not using it, the pads can be folded. Air freshener and purifier bases. Purifies the air, absorbing formaldehyde with activated carbon. Made of aviation-grade aluminum alloy, with frosted texture. Rotating top disc, to easily adjust the fragrance spreading rate, and freely control the fragrance concentration. 2 fragrances available. Headrest tablet holder for car. Charge up to 4 devices, with 2 built-in USB charging ports, and an attached cigarette lighter adapter, with 1 USB-C port, and 1 USB port. It can be placed behind a single passenger car seat, or between the driver and passenger seats for screen sharing. The bracket allows different viewing angles, and 360 degrees rotation. The base fits tablets with most cases and any other mobile device, between 11.4 and 10 inches wide. Cleaning gel for car interiors. It is perfect for cleaning the corners of the car. It is also ideal for cleaning the air conditioning vents, steering wheels, and console panel. Easy to use. Simply press the cleansing gel lightly onto the dirty surface. Then slowly remove the gel. Can be used several times until the color becomes dark. You can also use the gel to clean at home and office. You can clean your computer keyboard and other surfaces such as printers, mobile phone, TV remote control, and furniture. Basis charger. Fast charging, dual USB ports, and one Type-C port. You can charge multiple devices at the same time. Music Bluetooth playback. Bluetooth 5.0 technology. You can receive hands-free calls with a single touch. The parking mat helps you park perfectly and easily. Consistently park in the same exact location every time. Never worry about damaging your car, garage, or stored belongings again. Choose the location you want your tires to stop. Remove the cover from the double-sided tape on the back of the mat, and apply it to the chosen location, with the large bump forward. Thanks for watching, and if you are not a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe link, and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload videos. See you very soon with another compilation or review of any of the gadgets of the moment. The links of the products can be found in the description.